But I'm gonna put it, y'all know where I'm from. I'm put on every single rap verse, mixtape, verse, punchline I spit. Fuck with me. 40-second in post road. 40-second in post road. 40-second in, 40-second in, 40-second in post road. Birds moving in, bricks gotta go. And if you need some fire, get you heat for the low. Block of the city where life goes down. Got them pills, lean with some light loud. One life, one love. Watch my back for these slipping niggas. Never left with a pudge. Money mission, money hungry. Money make my pussy come, so I'm never lonely. Moving in and out like the dope boy. Getting dough, misbehaving like a decoy. Live by the bullet without a sign name. Dodging cases cause these pigs love penny frames. Speaking bitches who live by the badge. Show up to show out and zip you in the bag. Sick looking 90s baby with a too high. Unfroze you like an icebox without a cyclops. Glad to see you another day, another hour. At the minutes begging breath for flipping powder. 8 inches with some little added pounds. I like them dirty niggas, pick them up from the pound. I'm a bad bitch, I need a tricker nigga to double up, then reverse in triple figures. Home of the PC from the back. Every dime gotta have a nickname called Fat Cat. I love them guys, known as Benjamin. No jealousy, don't fold without a question. Don't get caught slipping money over honeys. Get the money if you gon' ride them like a pony. Square one. Cause he say he ain't fucking with it. I'ma call him out, stuntin' ballin' on the budget. A common phrase, girl, you own it. Get this dough, blow these hundreds.